Morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to speak in English but you don't know how to speak in English? So don't worry, I'm here to help you. English is very easy, but if you understand English, if you know the vocabulary, or if you are familiar with the English language, so English is easy for you. English is not just a language, it is a communication skills. If you are good in communication skills, it means you can understand English, you can speak in English, so it means that you can communicate in English with anyone. But one thing I would like to tell you, the basics always help you. So let's start with some basic lesson learning vocabulary. So let's start today's video with some great words. So here we go. The first word is Deccan. Deck-udant. Deck-udant. Decadent. Okay. The meaning is decaying or decayed. Now the time of sentence. A person who engages in decadent behavior is a person whose morals have decayed or fallen into ruin. Decimate. Decimate. Kill or destroy a large part of. To decimate an army is to come close to wiping it out. Decorous. Proper in good taste. Decorous behavior is good, polite, orderly behavior. Deduce. Deduce. Conclude from the evidence. To deduce something is to conclude it without being told it directly. Defame. Libel or slander. To defame someone is to make accusations that harm the person's reputation. Deference. Submission to another's will. To show deference to another is to place that person wishes ahead of your own. Definitive. Conclusive, providing the last word. Walter wrote the definitive biography of Keats. Nothing more could have been added by another book. Degenerate, break down to deteriorate. The discussion quickly degenerated into an argument. Okay, so we have done some few words, some vocabulary for you in the today's video. But you need to do some other activities also. English is a language of practice. If you do the practice of speaking, so you will improve your English speaking. I will tell you that what you can do to improve your English speaking practice. Speak in front of mirror and try to speak. Try to read also. You can have a newspaper, just have a newspaper and read any article and watch yourself while reading, while speaking. Because when you see yourself while speaking, you will feel the confidence that you can speak in English. And this confidence is required because it is like a plant which grows day by day. You will not become a Jimmy Fallon in just one day. You cannot speak English like any Australian in just one day. But if you keep on doing practicing every day, so each and every effort is counted. If you do the practice in front of mirror at least for 30 minutes every day, so you will going to speak or give the speech in English for 5 to 10 minutes easily anywhere. It is my guarantee. But you need some other practice also, like listening exercise. How you can listen? Tune into BBC News and try to listen the news, English media, and just watch the person how they are speaking in English. Watch their postures and gesture, how confidently they are standing, how confidently they are dressed, and how fluently they are speaking in English. If they can speak in English, so you can also. But the matter is one thing, effort, positive attitude towards learning and towards action. When you start learning, so your mind and body will sync, and you will start speaking in English, you will start thinking in English. But it is not a one day game, it is a process, it is a consistency practice of learning English. One more thing I would like to tell you is reading exercise. Read anything, book, newspaper, magazine, whatever you like, online books, but all depends upon you what you like to read. You have to do this exercise because you want to develop your communication skills and you want to grow your career growth. So if you really want to become a successful person in your life, so you have to improve your English speaking. So these are the just basic tips. If you will follow, if you will follow these steps, you will definitely going to improve your English. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much.